Hello and welcome to biology class. I am Shipra Sharma from ADARSH MANDIR SHANKAR Mount Abu for class 9. Today we are starting new chapter tissue. So first the question arises, what is tissue? Tissue is the group of cells which have similar origin and function. Function means working and origin means, you can see here, this is the mother cell and it can divide into two cells. Then further they divide into 4 cells. So these 4 daughter cells are originated from single mother cell. So they can convert into the tissue. This is the origin. In plants, mainly 2 types of tissues are present: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are present on the growing regions of the plant and they are helpful to grow the plant in the length and width. And their cells are thin-walled with large and prominent nucleus, and they have the continuous cell division capacity. On the basis of the position, meristematic tissues can be divided into 3 parts: apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristems are present on shoot tip and root tip. This is the shoot tip and this is root tip. Apical meristem is present and they are responsible for growth in length of the plant. Intercalary meristem is present just above the node of the stem. You can see this is the stem. Or have you seen the sugar cane? In the sugar cane, the nodal region is very clearly seen. So this is the nodes. And between the 2 nodes, this portion is known as internode. And the intercalary meristem is present just above the node. Just above the node, intercalary meristem is present, and it is the vestige responsible for length, to increase the length of internode. The third type of meristem is lateral meristem. It is present in roots and stem both, but in lateral position. Like our hands. Our hands, the position of hands are lateral. So the lateral meristems, they are responsible for growth in width, or they are responsible for secondary growth. Now we come to the permanent tissues. Permanent tissues are the modified meristematic tissues. They are differentiated for the specific function and they lost the capacity of cell division. So they can't divide and they can't increase in the number. There are 2 types of permanent tissues: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. What is the difference between simple and complex permanent tissue? The cells of simple permanent tissues are similar in origin, function and structure. But the cells of complex permanent tissues are similar in function and origin but different in structure. 2 types of complex tissues are present in plants: xylem and phloem. And simple permanent tissues are of 3 types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma tissues are present on the soft regions of the plant, like leaves, flowers, fruits, or are made up of parenchyma. The cells of parenchyma tissues are generally spherical, isodiametric in shape, and between the cell, intercellular spaces are present. These are the intercellular spaces. These are present, and when chloroplast or the chlorophyll pigment are present in parenchyma, then these parenchyma are known as chlorenchyma. They are present in the green parts of the plant like leaves, and they are responsible for photosynthesis. And the next type is parenchyma. In the aquatic plants, or we can say hydrophytes, the parenchyma tissue is modified into the parenchyma. Parenchyma means air sacs or air chambers. These are the air sacs or air chambers. They are present in hydrophytes or aquatic plants and they provide the buoyancy to the plant for floating. Now the second type is collenchyma. Collenchyma is a type of simple permanent tissue, and in their intercellular spaces, these are the intercellular spaces, pectin is deposited in the intercellular spaces, and due to the deposition of pectin, they provide the elasticity and mechanical strength to the plant part. They are generally present in the small branches of the trees. And the last is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is a type of simple permanent tissue. In this you can see the lignin. Lignin is deposited on the whole wall of the cell, and it may be like polygonal shape, stone cells, or like a fibers, xylem fibers, phloem fibers, and due to the deposition of lignin, these cells are dead. So they provide the rigidity and mechanical strength to the plant part. Mainly the main stem of the tree are made up of sclerenchyma. So it is all about the simple permanent tissues. Thank you.